Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Bhavya's Bouquet. In today's video, I am going to make a clay Ganesha Moorti. This is the first time I'm ever making it. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to make a ball with this clay. So I will take a little bit of clay like this. And you need to mold it into a ball. Now your ball needs to be round in shape and it needs to come neat. So once you've got the shape roughly, after that you can roll it in this manner till you get it proper. So this is how my ball looks. So just like this, you need to make two more balls of a slightly smaller size than the first one. But both of the balls should be of the same size. Then you need to make two more. And two more balls you need to make of a slightly smaller size than the original ones. And then you need to make three much smaller balls. So once you've got this ready, we can proceed with the further steps. So now you take the small ball to make a base. So you will put it like this. Now once you've got a base, you're going to take the big ball that you had and you have to make an oval out of it. So we make an oval. So now once you've got the slightly ovalish shape, you need to put it over the base. So now once you've stuck the ovalish thing, you need to stick this like this from the back. So you are going to give it a shape like this. So now you need to make these four balls which you've already made. We need to shape them. So these are for the legs and hands. So now what you need to do is you're going to roll them like this. In this manner. So you roll all four of them like this. And they are of the same size. So now once you have these, two of them are going to be used for the hand. So the one that you're going to use for the hand, you just need to bend it slightly. So I have bended it like this, and both the hand ones you need to bend. Now the next I'm going to do the leg ones. So for the leg one, you need to pinch it like this with two fingers, and then after that you need to bend it slightly. So I've done that with the other leg as well, and this is how the leg one looks. So you keep this aside. So now you're going to take the leg ones like this, and you need to press them behind. This is the back side I'm showing you guys. And once you've pressed them and they're properly stable, so I will show you from the front. You need to get them close to the stomach, but don't get them too close like this. So now we need to stick the hands like this to this, the hands that we've made V-shaped. So I slightly reduced my size because it was a bit big, but this is how we need to put it. So I'm showing you guys the back side. I'll show you from the front. So now once we've got this, you need to press this hand like this to make it go upwards. So the other hand needs to be pressed down like this. Hold on, like this. So now this hand you need to slightly press it downwards and adjust it a bit. And in this you can make a small round ball and put it. So now the next step is to place the head like this, and once you have placed it, you need to join this as well from the back. So this is how it looks now. So now the next step is to make the trunk. So you need to roll this in this manner and make it in a cone-like shape. And after this, you need to place it over here. Like this. So you need to slightly bend the trunk towards the corner like this. Now once you've got this, the next step is to make the ears. The next comes the ears. So for making the ears, you need to press it like this from all sides and the other one as well. Now once this is done, you need to put it like this on Ganesha. And you can adjust it accordingly to give it a more finished look. Try to make the ears a bit equal. So now we've got it till here. If you feel that you need a stronger base, then you can always add more clay to give it a better base. So this is how your murti looks now. Now for the eyes, you can either make eyes out of clay like this, where you just need to make two small balls. Or you could make the eyes with a toothpick or a safety pin. So I'll make that and show you. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks. And you can always make designs with a toothpick or a safety pin to make it look more attractive. After leaving your clay model to dry for 2 to 3 days, you can start painting it. For painting it, you can use acrylic colors, but normal paints will also work out. So first you need to give a white base coat, and after you're sure that the base coat has dried properly, you can paint it however you wish. I've used skin color over here, and you can paint it with whichever color you want. If you're using normal colors, then make sure to give it a double coat, otherwise the paint will not stay properly. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Comment below and subscribe to my channel for more content on music and art and craft. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Thank you for watching.